Sawadee Krab, it's me here, Falang Isaan. Just missing my girl a lot at the moment, had to go back home, so going to be making some suntan, and better known in England as a papaya salad. So let's get on with it. Have to go and sort some sticky rice out and noodles too, so catch you at the stove. Okay, I'm over at the stove now, and I've just put my sticky rice on. Glutinous rice is actually called, if you never heard of sticky rice before. And it's in a nice basket on the stove, look, and I had to do a bit of alteration work to make it work, as I've got an induction cooker. So we're now going to steam the rice. This will take a little bit of time, and finally I'll make some sticky rice with that. Here's the noodles we'll be cooking today. You just have to boil them up and let them cool down, and we'll get on with it now. Okay, we've got our noodles and our rice starting to cook away. Time for us to get on with some salad. Okay, up next we have to start mixing some of the stuff together in my big mortar and pestle. So in first, chili and some garlic, and you have to mix it up. In next we have a bit of pickled fish. Only a little bit though, unless you want it too salty. Woo. Next in we have some of the brown powder. Can't quite remember what this one's called, but it makes it taste nice. Now a little bit of palm sugar, and give it all a mix. Okay, next in, we're going to start adding the tomatoes. Give it a bit of a mix. Then some lemon. Put it all in. Mix. We're using beans. Use long beans in Thailand, but just normal beans. A round type. You can use runner beans if you like, but I like these ones better, and give it a mix. Okay, the noodles are boiling up well. You have to keep just stirring them around. Let them boil for 10 minutes or so, and afterwards we're going to cool them down. Here's the rice, still cooking away. We'll get back to that later. Okay, the noodles are cooked now, and I'm just going to cool them down with some cold water. Give them a wash at the same time. They'll be ready to go in shortly. Okay, my sticky rice is now cooked. Now I'm going to take it off and put it on my little mat that I have, and give it a mould up. It's a nice thing to have with your papaya salad, suntan. There you go, sticky rice. Time for the container. Here's my container for my sticky rice, and Here you go, stick your rice in, leave it in there, cover it up till I'm ready to eat. Okay, we're down to the last bit about the papaya salad sometime. Obviously the papaya. Want to add that in. Add our noodles in. And it's time to mix up. Okay, I've finished mixing now. I use a spoon with the other part so we can mix it all up. Time to just do a bit of tidying up and sit down and eat. Okay, I just tipped it out on a plate, ready to eat with my sticky rice. Let's sit down and eat. I know what you all want to ask me. You say, Paul, you're going to say, c'est bon? I'm going to say, c'est bleu. See you all soon.